The first thing we want to do is find out the arc of this circle, and to find out the arc we have to find out what the diameter of this half circle is. So we have an entire length of 7 down the bottom here. Up top we have a 2 and we have a 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so how much more is going to give us 7? We need 4 more, so 1 plus 4 plus 2, that gives us the 7. Now, if this would have been an entire circle, that would be a diameter of 4 centimeters. And to find the circumference of the entire circle, you would do 4 times pi. But it's only half a circle. It's this top half, so we need to divide that by 2. So 2 pi. So that is this measurement right here. That arc is 2 pi. Now we have some other measurements here as well. So we have a 7, and then a 2, or we'll do this side, a 2, and then a 1, and then another 2, and then this is the one I marked originally, and then it will be 2. And then we also have the 2 pi from up top. Now, to add all those together, we're going to do 7 plus 2 is 9, 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So we have 14 plus 2 pi. So our two answers here are the 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 pi, and 14 plus 2 pi. Those are our two choices.